Today I'm gonna review Songbird versus iTunes. See which one's better. My voice may not be that great because I have a little cold, so let's see which one's better. We'll first start by downloading Songbird. I already have it. I keep making this mistake every time there. So we'll download it. I'm just downloading the Mac version because I am a Mac user, if you can't already tell. But this also works for Windows. They discontinued Linux. If you want Linux, you might as well download Banshee. I have installed Growl notifications, which I don't really need, like with Safari, because I accidentally opened that. So if we download it, we open up the file. And now we drag this to a shortcut, but I recommend dragging it to the actual applications folder. And because it copies it fully. I'll just wait a second. There, and it's copied. So we open Songbird up. Yeah, I'm sure. And it opens up. We'll get rid of this thing. And as you can see, here's the built-in interface. I heard that you can download add-ons or whatever. And now let's open iTunes and compare them. So we go to music. I have cover flow. So you have the listing, which this is. You have album, whatever. Now compare them. We got, doesn't have much of a, like, get more media views. I'm not in the mood for that. So let's compare music quality just a little bit. The reason I have white and nerdy because I like it better in Ride-In, so there you go. Now let's play it on iTunes. And now, by comparison, Songbird is slightly better and it's louder. Now let's compare videos. I have Bed Intruder. Well, I think I moved it, so that's why. I'm sorry for this, folks, or whatever you are. I thought I deleted that, so let's add this. There we go. And hopefully it works.
Well, obviously we have a rapist in Lincoln Park. He's climbing in your windows. He's snatching your people up, trying to rape them. So y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife.
Has about QuickTime 7 or QuickTime X quality. And iTunes uses QuickTime as its main video or audio player. If we look at so they're about the same, but iTunes has a preview, Songbird doesn't, which is not really that big of a deal unless you have a lot of movies, and yeah, it must be painful. Downloads, whatever. Now, you could look for concerts on Songbird, but on iTunes you have Ping, which is basically you share songs. Now let's look at the stores. And I don't really care for recommendations. We'll search Ringo Starr. We'll look at Why Not, and we'll have a preview and see what it looks like. It's 77 cents, and it's 1 minute long. If we search Ringo Starr at the store, my Mac is making this sound because I'm on a MacBook Pro. If you can't tell from the battery up here, who cares? Well, anyways, we got the same album. Now the cover art seems the same. And if we have P-Stream, it's only 30 seconds, and they're both almost same prices. But if you're a real cheapskate, I mean extremely real cheapskate, then you might as well get this. We have radios. Its built-in playlists are highest rated, recently added, recently played. While on iTunes, we have 90s music, classical music, music videos. My top rated, recently added, recently played, top 25 most played. Wow, that's a lot. And in case you didn't know, the people who made Songbird are the same people who made Firefox, Mozilla. So this has a built-in Firefox browser, which should have been built in. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at this. There you have the iTunes logo, whatever. Okay. So you could get plugins for Songbird, which is a thing you can't do in iTunes. Let's search for tint. Let's download this. Then we'll add it and see what happens. Whoa, it's not compatible. What? Why is with? Who cares? Now let's search for something else. Like search for another thing. What's this Exorcist thing? I don't know what this is. And it's finished downloading it, so we'll try installing Exorcist. Well, the Exorcist was scary, but kinda. Not compatible either. Well, apparently most extensions are compatible. Now let's conclude this. In conclusion, iTunes has a cleaner interface than Songbird. Songbird has slightly better quality. Its digital store is kind of good, but Songbird is kind of unstable. So I recommend getting iTunes because it's better and people use it more often. But if you're not an Apple person, might as well get Songbird. Thanks for watching. Bye.